Hello, teachers. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you two companies na hiring only here in the Philippines. Okay, so they are hiring and their rate is 200 pesos per hour. Are you ready? Okay, so teachers, let me share my screen. Okay, here. So here we have online ESL companies na hiring now. So nakita ko lang itong mga posting na ito sa um, FB pages, okay? And they are legit. Now, the first company is English Chat. What are they looking for? So they are looking for a female home-based online English teacher, which is residing only here in the Philippines. So for the full-timers, they need Mondays to Fridays. You should open 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. And for Saturdays to Sundays, you must open your schedule from 7 in the morning till 10 in the evening. And you know what? The rate is 100 pesos for a 25-minute video class. Okay, so that is a weekly salary. And ang students ay Chinese. And if you're familiar with Tencent VooV, because they their classroom is in Tencent VooV. Okay, so this is very easy. It's just like Zoom application. Okay, so if you are ready and if you think na fit yung schedule mo dito, then send an image here. No, send your actual video, actual class video rather, okay? Send your actual class video sa email na soriano.rolando354@gmail.com. Okay? So you can have 200 pesos per hour. So, this is not lugi, 'di ba? Okay. Now let's have another ESL company, which is okay, this one. So the name of the company is Arsenal. Oopsie, sorry. The name of the company is Arsenal Language Learning Online School. Okay. So we are hiring. So they are asking you to join their MSc team. So what do they require? They require you must be available during peak hours. So normally, ang peak hours talaga is from 5 o'clock to 10 in the evening. So you must also have your resume or your CV, your introduction video, and you must be willing to attend trainings and orientation. So ang ganda ng company na to kasi merong trainings and orientation. And the same, yung platform na ginagamit nila is a VooV Meeting. Okay? So what do they offer? They are offering 100 per 25 minutes. That's their rate. So they have trainings and materials and students to your preferred time. Okay. So their salary schedule is bi-monthly. That means twice a month in the 15th and 30th of the month. And you can have your salary on your bank through BDO. Okay, so if you are interested, teachers, you may send your video introduction and resume here. Allo shr at 163.com and cc me teacher.christy.alos@gmail.com. It means you also tag this one, this email, okay? So that's it. And anyway, teachers, I am not affiliated in these two companies, okay? So if you are interested, just inquire or just send a message to their emails provided naman na dito. Okay? So that's it. So I am just happy to share with you, teachers, these higher rate, these companies na may higher rates. Okay? So that would be, I hope I can help you in this video and see you on my next video. I'll find more ESL companies and I'll be willing to share it with you. Thank you so much. See you again. Goodbye.